To manage Geo Replication for Azure SQL Managed Identity, start by understanding the concept of Geo Replication and its importance in ensuring business continuity and disaster recovery. Geo Replication is a feature that allows you to replicate your Azure SQL database to a different region, providing a backup in case of an outage or disaster. First, create a new Azure SQL database and enable the Managed Identity feature. This will allow your database to authenticate to Azure services without needing to store credentials. Next, configure the Geo Replication settings by specifying the target region and the replication mode. You can choose from two modes: continuous and periodic. Continuous replication provides real-time replication, while periodic replication replicates data at regular intervals. To set up Geo Replication, navigate to the Azure portal and select your Azure SQL database. Click on the Geo Replication option and select the target region. Then, choose the replication mode and configure any additional settings as needed. It is essential to monitor the replication process to ensure that data is being replicated correctly. You can do this by checking the replication status and monitoring any errors or issues that arise. Best practices for managing Geo Replication include regularly testing the replication process, monitoring replication latency, and ensuring that the target region has sufficient resources to handle the replicated data. In addition, consider implementing a disaster recovery plan that includes Geo Replication, as well as other strategies such as backups and failover groups. This will ensure that your database is always available, even in the event of a disaster. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage Geo Replication for your Azure SQL Managed Identity, ensuring that your database is always available and up to date, even in the event of an outage or disaster.